Welcome to part 5 in my blog series to demonstrate the new features of Data Services Manager version 2.2. In this particular video blog, we're going to have a look at scale down support for Postgres databases. Here's my DSM dashboard, and we're going to choose one of my Postgres databases here, CJHPG01. You can see the VM class is currently a large VM class. And maybe when I look at the performance, I decide that I actually don't need so many resources to be allocated to the virtual machines that are backing this database. So what I can do is I can edit the infrastructure policy, and you can see a large is giving me 8 cores and 16 gigs of memory. And maybe I don't need that, like I said. So I'm going to drop this down to a small VM class of 2 cores and a much reduced memory footprint as well. So we'll just refresh the dashboard. We should see the status changing. You can see it's scaling VM class now to status, and the cluster is scaling down to a VM class of small. We can see it in the overview of our Postgres instances as well. And now if we take a look at our vSphere client, what's actually happening under the covers is that we're producing a new virtual machine to back this database. And this new virtual machine will have the new characteristics of the VM small class like we selected. So we give it a moment to clone and populate. And now I can see that the VM hardware is 2 CPUs and 4 gigs of memory as requested. And again, just moving things along, the original VMs will be removed and the new virtual machines will be in place. And of course, they will be fully synchronized with the data from a database perspective as well. So it's as simple as that to scale down Postgres databases. If you want to learn more about Data Services Manager, please pop along to my blog, cormachogan.com. I have a section dedicated to Data Services Manager. So it just remains for me to thank you for watching this demonstration on Data Services Manager scale down Postgres databases.